What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Bree K up in this thing, man. And today we're gonna be looking at the markets and see what we up to. Period, poo. So I like to start on a daily. I'm hoping that the effects from the market isn't, still doing its thing, So I want to mark this high. Oops. I'm gonna mark this high because this could be a high that it can retrace to, because if you look at the bigger picture, this is actually a fair value area, so it could possibly retrace to return up, or it could retrace, keep retracing and head down and take this low. We'll see, but I'm gonna get rid of this and then I'm gonna just mark this low for now. Since we're at all-time highs, I don't really have targets. I don't know how high it could go. That's the dangerous part about all-time highs. You don't know when it's gonna come back. Let's check out the weekly, see what it's doing. We are disrespecting a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap right here. We're disrespecting it. So the funny thing about disrespect candles, you would really never know if it's a disrespect candle for a while. So although this ran straight through it, it could reverse all the way down, symbolizing that it actually did want to respect the fair value gap. So right now we're just gonna say that it's disrespecting it until it returns down. On the weekly, it's disrespecting, so that could be a sign that it wants to continue going up. So I'm looking for it to retrace down, and then once it retraces down and I see what it does right here, I can potentially go for buys. Or if it comes into this area, makes two bearish fair value gaps, I'ma take some sales. So let's see what the 4 hour is doing. Okay, there's a fair value gap right here. Did it actually touch it? Let's see. It didn't really touch it. So this is still unmitigated, I think. So it could want to potentially come back down to this area. Think, breathe, think. Let's check out the 15 minutes, see if we see any sharp turns. Sharp turns are where the market will make a fair value gap into a specific area. So into this area, and then a fair value gap out of the area, a specific area. So this is a specific area, it's a fair value gap. So it made one fair value gap into the area. Let's see if it disrespects it and head back out. That's it, that's all. That's what a sharp turn is, but it looks like we haven't formed one yet. Look at the 5 minute. Okay, so it made one here, but I don't really trust 5 minute sharp turns. It's not gonna cap. I guess you could say that this was a fair value area. Which one? It actually might be creating a fair value area right now, because it was making bearish movement and now it's making a bullish movement. So I think whatever it's doing right here is going to be the fair value area. What a fair value area does, it provides a break in the market. So it went up a little bit and now it's a strong bearish move down. This is pretty strong and this is pretty strong. So now it's making a strong move up when, well, if you look at the overall picture, it actually was going up. So this actually could be the fair value area right here. Made high highs and now a deep retracement down. So this actually could be the fair value area. So let's see how it leaves this area. And yeah. So you guys, I see something, and the only fair value gap that I currently see is, I'm gonna show you, but we made a strong move down, so I'm not sure if it's going to want to come up here. I think it wants to take a break from its downward movement and make a V, an upside down V this way, because this was a strong bearish move down. So I think it took a break to make a bullish move, and now it's about to complete the fair value area right here. And honestly, I think that this 4-hour gap isn't mitigated. That's what I believe. So I believe it wants to tap this area at least one more time. It could tap this and retrace up, or if it wants to disrespect it, I'll be watching for a fair value gap, a bearish fair value gap in that area. So since it's a 4-hour fair value gap, I would want to see two bearish fair value gaps after it leaves that area, and then I'll get in. Or if it taps this area, I think I only want to see one bullish fair value gap, and I'll enter. But that's depending on how it leaves this area right here. So yeah, I didn't work out this morning, so I'm sleepy. Trying to take a 1 week break, and then I'm gonna go stupid hard these next 12 weeks. I'm on a 12-week year challenge. I completed my first 12 weeks. Now I'm on break. I'm not supposed to be trading today, but I'm addicted. Take that. I'm addicted. Take that. Okay, guys, so I've been out and about around the house with my laptop watching this trade, so I haven't been able to record most of this, but I'm seeing a setup. So what I see, we marked out this area, this fair value area, and it hasn't been all the way completed because it didn't come all the way up here, but it is making a fair value gap on the 15-minute. So it made a fair value gap into the top of this fair value area, and now it's making one away from the area. So I believe that this is what you call a sharp turn, because this is on the 15-minute. I think this is a sharp turn. Now, do I want to take this or not? But this is the trade idea. I could be wrong and I could be right. So, but this is at the all-time highs. I'm just gonna go for it, and if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So let's see. But I do believe that it wants to tap this area. I really believe it wants to actually tap this fair value gap. Now let's see, anything else? I'm just getting in. Oh, I should have got in. I got in so late. And I'm gonna mark these lows as my target. Man, I got in so late. So they let you know when you thinking about a trade, just go for it. I was thinking about it too hard. But yeah, the reason is because it made this sharp turn. I think I showed y'all what I mean by that. But it made a fair value gap on the 15-minute up. Then it made a fair value gap on the 15-minute down. And the most important thing is that it had a reason to turn here at this fair value area. So let's see. I got in late, y'all. Thinking, but it's okay. We learning. Hopefully this plays out. Come on, baby. And then, look at my. Ooh, that's a big old stop. Since it's like that, I need to. I'll target this low. How about that? I'll target this low. Ooh, how much did I? Oh, this is 10 contracts. Is it 10 contracts? Orders. Shoot, I want to start risking more anyway, so I wanted to announce that these 2 weeks I'm gonna start trading. I'm gonna start risking a little more because I really want to pass this challenge, and I figured that once I pass, then I go back to my risk ratio that I used to do. Because what I'm doing, my risk ratio that I had was a little more comfortable, but it wouldn't get me nowhere. So I figured that I'll try my best to pass and then I'll go back to that. So that's what we doing. Let's see if this works. See if this is gonna play out. If not, oh well. You guys, we are at all-time highs, so I'm thinking I might exit this trade. And I think I'm like that because my risk is so high, but it just filled in this downward fair value gap. So that erased a little bit of my confidence in this trade, and I'm over here talking and losing profit. But I really think, I don't know, there's so many emotions in trading. I got a book that I'm going to start. I'm gonna try to get a book. It's called Emotion in Trading or something like that. But it teaches you about all the emotions you may have during trades. And I honestly think that my emotions are influenced because of how high the risk is right now. And it shouldn't be like that. That's why I shouldn't have such high risk. I really shouldn't. But I want to pass. I want to pass so bad. And it's like I'm moving in a snail trail with the amount of risk that I be risking. But it's good for the long term. But I might get out. Oh, guys. This is the reality of trading. I'm gonna wait until it touch this fair value gap. See what it do at this fair value gap. And then if it break through, I think I get out. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. If it break this fair value gap, I'm gonna get out. It probably did that to scare people away. People like me. I ain't scared. What? Okay, I'm scared. Don't go up. Okay. I'm gonna pop my music back on and just let it do what it do. I shouldn't have my wrist this high. It's too scary, y'all. I don't want to pass so bad, but I gotta think long term. Cause rushing it, that's how I blew my first account. I don't know if you guys know, but I blew one account. I was trying to, because I risked a lot for a couple trades. I should have been recording it, but I risked a lot and I made like $2,000. But then when I lost, it was like $500. I would lose 5 and win 1,000. So when I lost 5, it hurt. It hurt to lose $500. So I was on a losing streak, and one day I just decided to blow my account because I wanted to restart. My drawdown was just right there. Because I won so much, I didn't have much room to lose anymore. So it was right before my rebuild date, and I'm not sure if you guys know, but with Topstep, if you blow your account before your rebuild date, they'll restart it for free. So I was trying to blow it before my rebuild date. So yeah, I don't want to go through the same thing, but man, it would be nice to have some money for Christmas. I'm gonna make a video about that on my other channel. But when Christmas comes, it brings a lot of emotions, especially because when you can't buy your nieces and nephews presents and you have to watch them opening presents from other people and you just in the background, like, that hurts. And my bills are paid, yeah, but it would be so nice to be able to buy them something. And I think that's why I feel like I have to risk more. But If it weren't for that, I'd be slow and steady. So maybe this Christmas I just probably can't buy them nothing. I'll be in the process of passing this challenge. But the next Christmas though, it's on. It's on. In terms of gifts, I'm trying to get all of them PS5s, all of them a TV, all of them a VR set. I'm trying to spoil my babies, and it hurt that I can't do it this year, but I gotta think long term. And this risk hurts. My emotions are everywhere. I'm not even supposed to expect that I'm gonna win. So why is it so much emotion? It's because it is risk. So you guys, only risk what you're comfortable risking, or else you're gonna cause too much emotion, because you will lose, and you gotta be okay with that. Yeah, I didn't really prepare for this trade as much as I should have, if I'm being honest, because usually I hop on my practice account and then play around with these numbers. So 64 and 10. Let me write down how much this is. Look at this candle. Ah, my emotions. What is this? Is there news? Let's check news. Oh, it is news right now. I don't like to trade news. Oh gosh, I should have noted this. It's FOMC. Oh gosh, I might get out and wait 5 minutes. My mentor said wait 5 minutes. Come on, give me a little profit. A little profit first. Little something. Ooh, I hate this. Okay, I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, y'all. I can't do news. Okay, so that give me time to reevaluate my risk management. Okay, I'm getting back in. Probably shouldn't have, but I feel better. My heart. I'd rather lose 182 than 300 something. Now I fully accept this risk. Fully. At first I didn't accept the risk. You gotta know the difference. I've made the executive decision to leave once it hit this purple area. I'm not gonna sit through the news. I'm just gonna get out, enjoy the rest of my day. Hopefully it makes it to this purple line, and I'm gonna call it a day. We had a very emotional day today. Alright, y'all, it's way too much news going. I'm gonna secure a little profit for today, but yeah, all this news is not to my liking. Okay, so we made a tiny bit today, but it was too much news for me. I can't do it. So appreciate y'all watching this video. We had a very weird day today. A lot of emotions, but I'm glad I could record it for y'all. And if you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe, comment, all that. But yeah, appreciate y'all watching. Appreciate the love and support. Alrighty, see y'all in the next video. Y'all look at this. I got on it on my demo account just to see what it play out. Look at this. That's so crazy. At least I know which way the market is going, so I kind of figured as soon as I hop out of the trade, it was gonna go in my favor. Don't you just love when that happens? Look at that. Perfect. Perfect. Dang, I should have stayed in for y'all, but it's okay. At least y'all know, I ain't no rude poo. You know what I'm saying?